Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to view your FPS in Roblox. Okay, first things first is you want to open up your Roblox app. And then, what you want to do is to open up any of the games that you want to play or check your FPS of. Now that you are in a Roblox game, you will realize that there is no way for you to check your current frames per second in the mobile version yet. But if you happen to have a PC version, it will be an easy option for you. Because all you have to do in a Roblox game to see your frames is to use the command Shift plus F5. So just press it at the same time together and an interface should appear revealing your FPS. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now view your FPS in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.